morning, guys. Today we have a completed project coming back for its annual service. I'm Forrest Davis, the shop foreman here at Griot Motors, and I'm going to tell you about this 1963 Corvette owned by a great customer of ours. So behind this amazing shine is many hours from talented craftsmen to perfect the body and body lines of this car and add this incredible show car paint finish. In addition to the full paint job, we've also redone all of the brightwork, which includes the chrome and any stainless aspects of the car. And then for the custom aspect, we've completely remade this fiberglass hood to incorporate functional air ducts to extract all of the hot air from the engine bay. So we have these custom CNC'd inserts, all made to look very factory, but add a custom touch. This isn't your normal 1963 Corvette under the hood. This car sports a 427 aluminum block engine with over 500 horsepower, in addition to a TREMEC TKX 5-speed transmission. To control all of that extra horsepower, we've added electric power steering to make driving around those parking lots a little bit easier, and also electric power brakes to make this thing stop a whole lot faster. So this may look like a 1963 stock interior, but everything has been refined. These seats have been sculpted from foam to our customer's specification and then wrapped in very fine black leather. In addition to the seats, the dashboard has completely been wrapped in leather, and the door panels have been recreated in the original styling, all from leather. We also have this really nicely wrapped leather steering wheel and even a Bluetooth radio that looks exactly like the original. At Griot Motors, a project isn't finished after the first engine fire. This car went through a rigorous testing process to make sure that the customer got exactly what he envisioned. The hardest part of a project is the last 10%.